me make Billy do a taste this. So there you have it, guys. Look at that.
So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. Our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about,
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm gonna see that setup here. I don't know what I'm gonna go on. I'm gonna show you how I make my protein shake / weight gainer. And as I see, I have my products them already lined out. I have my salt and my nutmeg. I have my peanut. I have my box milk. I have my supplement. And I have my vanilla. And you know, say you have your oats. I have my condensed milk. And these are all the products that I am going to use in the video. So before me jump into the video, I just want to say thanks for subscribing and welcome to all the new subscribers, and welcome back to all the old subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you don't want to see more videos like these, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and also to share the video, guys. And remember, guys, we're posting frequently now, so you can just stay tuned and lock on the channel. So let's get into the video, and don't forget to smash that like button, guys, and that notification bell. So let's get into the video. So I have my blender here. So the first thing I'm gonna pour, I'm gonna put in my peanuts, and then I'm gonna see the full. I'm gonna put in my peanuts, then I'm going to pour in my oats, mix bag, I should say. Exactly another container. Show some more words. Then we will pour in the supplement. Pour in the supplement. And before I add anything else in there, I will blend out this a little first. Blend out a little. Add my box milk. Add a small amount of vanilla. As you can see, it's not too thin and it's not too thick, which is very perfect for us. And there you have it. I'm going to serve it. So guys, we're back. So me just find a cup here, the compare glass here. I'm just gonna pour it in here and show you what I want. And I'm gonna make Billy do a taste test.
I don't see this.
I'm gonna make Billy do a taste test. So there you have it, guys. Look at that. That's my protein weight gainer shake. Yeah. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Cheers. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Bam. Yeah, hit it. And we're dropping more content. We have some lot of content in store for you guys. And we will see you all. Oh, and before I forget, guys, follow us on Instagram at Determinelevy. And for Billy Instagram page Junior_. And our couple channel are Clive the Cavian Forever, Facebook Cavian Levy, Junior Bell, Facebook, and you said this is it? Our business page is Jewel and Girls. And also don't forget to use the discount Lulu at Lulu Holistic, and the link are always in the description box. And we will see you all in our next video. Bye guys.